Right now, a powerful new trend is taking over YouTube. 3D documentary-style videos. This might just be the next big viral niche, and the proof is in the results. Just look at channels like Zach D Films, which gained 23 million subscribers and earns around $17,603,344 a month. Now, this is a big channel that has been running for quite a long time. There's another channel just like Imperial, which gained 390,000 subscribers with only 25 videos and earns around $3,000 a month. Then there's Neo, with over 2.8 million subscribers from just 78 uploads. And Fern, one of the most famous channels in this style, boasting 3.7 million subscribers. What do all these successful channels have in common? They all use eye-catching 3D animations made in Blender. And they present their content in such a unique and engaging way that viewers can't look away. But here's the good news. You don't need to learn Blender to create videos like these. In this video, I'm going to show you an easier, faster method to make professional 3D documentary videos. But first, check out this video I made using the following methods.
On November 17, 1985, the world of high finance faced a threat it never expected. Not from a billionaire banker, but from a college dorm room. In the heart of campus, a 20-year-old student named Alex sat hunched over a laptop, running complex trading simulations while his classmates crammed for exams. Gifted with an uncanny talent for numbers, he wasn't just learning the rules of Wall Street, he was preparing to bend them. One late night, Alex stumbled across a hidden loophole in the markets, a method to exploit tiny price differences known as arbitrage. With each click, his account balance multiplied.
Whether you're a beginner or just looking to try something new, this could be your chance to join one of YouTube's fastest-growing niches. Let's get started. When making a video like this, there are 3 key ingredients you just can't skip: a solid script, eye-catching 3D animations, and, this one's super important, immersive sound effects. But before we even jump into writing the script, it's essential to really get this niche. Let me break it down for you. You can create videos on all sorts of gripping topics, like world disasters, political scandals, famous figures, or major events from the past or present. Honestly, the options are almost endless. Your creativity is really the only limit. To get the ideas flowing, I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate some fresh video concepts in this niche. I've already included a few example topics in my prompt to help guide the AI. Now, let's ask ChatGPT to generate 10 new video ideas. Awesome! We've got some truly engaging and unique topics to choose from. Out of these 10, one really stands out to me. This one right here. How a college kid nearly bankrupted Wall Street. Alright, I've selected our topic, so let's start making the video. Now, the next big step is the script. In the past, I would have just taken the script ChatGPT made and used it as is. I've even recommended that method myself. But here's the important update. YouTube's algorithm has gotten smarter. It can now often detect when a script is fully AI-generated, and that can hurt how your video performs. So, here's my new method. I still use ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting and gather all the information on our topic. It's amazing for that. I'll use a special prompt. You can find it in the description below to generate a full draft. And just like that, we have a detailed script. But we can't use this version. This is where you have to put in a little bit of human effort to make it authentic. Here's what you need to do. Read the AI-generated script carefully, then rewrite it entirely in your own words. Keep all the facts and the story, but change the way it's written. Make it flow like a story you're telling a friend. Try to give it that cinematic, documentary-style feel, like the big channels we looked at. I know it's a bit frustrating that we can't just copy and paste, but this is the only reliable way to make sure your video feels original and avoids any potential issues. It's worth the extra few minutes. I took the time to rewrite this whole script myself. Now that it's in my own voice and style, we're ready to go. Now that we have our script ready, the next important part is the voiceover. Some people on YouTube have made a lot of videos claiming that channels using AI voices can no longer be monetized. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can solve this problem and still monetize your channel successfully. One more important thing is if your story's voice doesn't sound realistic and engaging, viewers might lose interest and skip your video halfway. To avoid this problem, we need a voiceover that feels natural. The best option, of course, is to record your own voice. But if you don't have the right equipment, don't worry. There's an AI platform called 11 Labs that provides hundreds of realistic and professional voices. With it, you can generate high-quality voiceovers that perfectly match your video, and your audience will feel truly connected. Here's how it works. Open the 11 Labs website. Create an account using any email or Gmail. Once you log in, you'll see a dashboard on the left with options like text-to-speech, voice changer, sound effects, and voice isolator. Since we want to generate a voice from our script, select the text-to-speech option. When you create a new account, 11 Labs gives you 10,000 free words. That means you can generate voiceovers for scripts up to 10,000 words without paying anything. On the right side, you'll see the Voices section. Here, you can choose from different voice styles and accents, male and female. Listen to them one by one and pick the one that suits your video best.
Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none.
Government of the people, by the people, for the people shall not perish from the earth.
Below that, you'll find some advanced settings. If you're new, just leave them as they are, but if you want to adjust the tone or pitch, you can customize them as well. Now, simply paste your script into the text box and click Generate. Within seconds, your complete voiceover will be ready. Finally, hit the download button, and you've got your professional voiceover ready to use in your video. Okay, the voiceover is all set. Now, let's get to the most exciting part, creating the 3D animated clips that will bring our story to life. For this, you'll need a powerful AI video generator. I recommend using top-tier models like Kling 2.1 or Veo. The quality of your video depends almost entirely on the prompt you give it, so this step is super important. To make things easier, we need to train GPT. I've written a detailed prompt that explains everything step by step. First, I'll give this prompt to ChatGPT, and it will use it to prepare itself for the next steps. As you can see, ChatGPT trained himself for my next prompt. Then I paste my template and say, analyze this scene description and fill out this prompt for me so it's ready to copy and paste into my video AI. Let me show you how it works. For the first scene, I told ChatGPT, a cold, rainy afternoon, a boy sitting in a room using laptop and watching from the window. ChatGPT then gave me back a perfectly optimized, detailed prompt. I copied that directly into Kling 2.1, and here's the incredible result it gave me. Pretty cool, right? That's exactly the vibe we want. I use a platform called Skyreels AI because it's affordable and very user-friendly. It offers a wide range of features, including image-to-video and text-to-video. For this project, I'll be using the text-to-video option. For the next scene, I repeated the process. I described it to ChatGPT, got another great prompt, pasted it into Skyreels, and generated the clip. After pasting the prompt into Skyreels, choose the video duration. The best thing is Skyreels can make up to 30 seconds videos. After that, click on Generate, and in a few seconds your video will be generated. By using this method, I was able to generate all the high-quality 3D style scenes I needed in about 30 minutes. It's a game changer. All right, let's head over to CapCut and put all the pieces together into our final video. First, I'm importing all of our materials into the editing dashboard. Remember, our video is a mix of AI-generated clips, text layers, and real images. I'll start by dragging our first voiceover segment onto the timeline. Then, I'll add a text layer above it. Since our script begins with a specific date, I'll type that in. Let's choose a cool, stylish font that fits our documentary vibe. To make it pop, let's add an animation. Under the Animations tab, I'll pick something smooth and professional. It's important to get the timing right, so I'll stretch the text clip to make sure the animation lasts for a few seconds and matches the pacing of the voiceover. Next, I'll start placing our AI video clips and real images onto the timeline, lining them up with the script. After this first AI scene, I'll cut to a real photograph. To make the transition dynamic, I'll go to Effects and add a cool, subtle effect, maybe a light leak or a film grain to enhance that documentary feel. I'll also add a sleek 3D slide animation to make the image transition smoothly into the frame. I'll continue this process, weaving together the AI clips, images, and animated text layers until the entire timeline is filled and tells a cohesive story. Now for the final, crucial touch. A great soundtrack can make or break the atmosphere. I'll use websites like Pixabay or Epidemic Sound to download cinematic music and key sound effects, like a subtle whoosh for text animations or a tense rumble for dramatic moments. Be strategic with your sound effects and don't overload the video with too many background noises, as it can muddy the audio and harm the overall quality. And that's it! Our video is complete. If you follow these steps exactly, you can easily create professional-looking videos for this niche. I really hope you found this guide helpful and valuable. I wish you the best of luck on your content creation journey. See you in the next video.